Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Facebook app step by step. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with three lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to the Settings option from the list. Tap on the Password and Security option available under the Account section. Then tap on the Change Password option under the Login title. Here are the three options in front of you. To change your password, first of all, you need to write your current password. Then you write your new password 2 times to the options below Current Password section. After that, tap on the Update Password button. Thus, password change is completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and click the bell for new videos.